Every day is Women's Day. Let's celebrate the incredible impact women are making in supply chain and manufacturing, powering industries that keep the world moving. In food production, women are ensuring efficiency and sustainability. In life sciences, they are leading innovation, improving production processes that directly impact healthcare and lives. In mobility, women are shaping the future with cutting-edge technology, driving advancements in precision, safety, and sustainability. But beyond the industries and job titles, what truly stands out is the dedication, the problem-solving, the care. Women in supply chain and manufacturing aren't just optimizing processes. They're creating solutions that touch lives, building a future where efficiency and humanity go hand in hand. At Planet Together, we see this impact every day. The women on our team are shaping the future of planning, bringing heart, expertise, and innovation to everything they do. Today, we celebrate them, and every woman making a difference in this space. Because the work women do isn't just important, it's extraordinary.